Hey, what's up everybody? Working on the 96 F-150. Should at least be the same from the 92, 96. Basically, the headlight knob, dimmer switch, this piece, I got tape on it, but it cracked on me. And yeah, sure, I could have epoxied all this other stuff, but I just went ahead and got new. So the trick to it is getting this rod out. Here's your part number, Dorman 76871. It was like 18 bucks or something like that. Probably more than I should have spent, but whatever. I love my truck. Basically, you gotta pull the dash for this part. So dash has got, you pull this plate off. Mine's broken behind it, so I didn't pull it off. This one pulled off. It's a 7 mil bolt that holds on. Pulled that off. Got my custom switch for the electric fan and the coolant temp because my one on the dash don't work, and I ain't worried about it because eventually that'll be a boost gauge. So pull, probably do it without taking this out, but just to show y'all, 7 mil. Oh, pull those bolts out, take this bracket off. Like I said, I think you can reach in there and get it, but I'll just do it the not quick way, just so I can show you all the parts. This piece threaded in, that's what holds it onto the bracket. Thread that off, and the whole entire trick to it all, slide all that off, don't lose your hardware. So on this switch, if you pull it out, you'll notice right here on the top, if you try to pull on this piece, you know, that cuts the lights on, off, whatever. There's this little guy right here. You push that down and that depresses the, all right, hands free holding it. So push the button down and it just slides right out. Because your new one comes with the rod already pre-assembled, and you don't want to break your clip or anything like that. Let's go reverse order. You'll slide it back in. It'll lock into place. I'm gonna wait till afterwards, so these knobs don't fit through that hole there. So I'm gonna get it all back together, and then I'll slide this piece in at the end here real quick. Listen, you can probably reach it without getting to it, but for the sake of taking the time to show you the video, at least dive into it so you can see it. This is how you keep a 400 some thousand mile truck on the road. Work on it all the time, which is okay, because if you enjoy what you do, what's it matter? All right, I'm gonna get this piece in. A little overkill, but I'm just working with what tools I got in the truck. Make sure that's snug because we don't want that thing vibrating any more than it needs to. Don't worry, one day I'll have a nicer dash. But until then, make this side. And of course you can see my little tabs are all broken. I have another one of these pieces, so I'll fix it one day. But until then, there's that snugged up. New one, old one, new one. We'll take it, slide it in. If mine's sagging because I don't have everything. There we go. She's locked in and she works now. Brand new part. It holds in. And yeah, I'm only running the rear tank. I deleted the selector switch. Sue me. There we go. And you rotate to dim your lights there. Barking. High beams. There you go. And that's how you swap out your switch. Here's the old one. So that little release is just on this little tang here. So not much to it, but there you go. Hopefully helped you out. Laters.